Often architects have international clients who want to see that an effort has been made to portray their country in the renderings that they receive. Particularly in urban environments, an easy trick is to use license plates on the cars to communicate the location of your project. Lumion 12.0 added this feature for a handful of countries. However, in Lumion 12.3, this has taken another step forward by giving you the freedom to add your own license plates for an added layer of customization. I like the sound of that. Opening the new streetscape example scene, we can take a look at the cars placed here. Select any one of the cars and click the Change License Plates button. Here you can either choose one of the 10 countries listed, or you can click the plus sign to add your own. Let's do that. We'll be using a few Lumion logos for this in different colors, and when needed, we can adjust the size of the license plates to fit the image format. You can also add a variation for the rear plate if your region uses this format. This is shown here for the 4th license plate. After adding a few images, Lumion will randomly assign the license plates to the cars, and once you are happy with your set, you can also save it for use in other projects. Let's go ahead and delete it, then load it again. With a couple of tweaks in the project to emphasize the license plates, this is the final result. The license plate feature will auto-generate areas in the image that pop out and give a 3D effect to the textures. The import your own license plates feature is a small element, but adds a little sprinkle of detail to the rendering experience. And because it's so easy to use, it lets you always add this immersive characteristic to your visualizations that pulls clients further into the reality of the design. They might not comment on the license plates directly, but I promise they will feel something familiar about your renders. You gotta give it a shot. I'll see you next time.